This is the Access Exbury grow house. The grow house is designed to be freestanding. It's got glass all the way around and it's designed to be bolted down to the ground, so it's very sturdy and durable even in windy locations. This one's been coated in an anthracite powder coat finish, do a number of different colours, or you can just have it in the natural finish. The framework's got a 25-year guarantee, so it's going to last a very long time. As well as being sturdy and durable, we try and make the grow house as versatile as possible. So if you look inside, you'll see there's a range of shelves for the seed trays. They're all adjustable height-wise, so you can change the spacing depending what you're growing. And if you don't want to use the shelves, you can see the one at the bottom has been dropped flat against the back, so there's plenty of growing space in front when you're not using the seed tray shelves. In the centre you can see there is a staging that's made of toughened glass, and that lets the light down to the lower level, so you've not got any permanent shadows. We're trying to keep the lower level as light as we can. The other option you've got to make it very versatile is the watering system. So you can see on the far side there's a fitting for a hose pipe, and inside the grow house we've got a little nozzle here and a little nozzle down here, and they spray into the grow house and do the watering for you. So 2 or 3 minutes and everything's watered. So it's really useful if you go away. You can put a timer on it if you want to, and then it's completely automated. And talking of automation, we've also got the option of an automatic vent. Now the vent will open and close on its own depending on the weather conditions. So on a cold day it'll be closed, on a spring day it'll start opening up early in the morning and be fully open perhaps by the middle of the day. In the summertime it might be open all the time, but it's a very useful addition to the grow house. In addition, for ventilation and for access, you can slide the glass panels. So you can do the top ones and the lower ones, and on this particular model we've also got sliding glass at the back as well. So you can access or ventilate from the back or from the front. The roof glass will slide as well, and it'll take out, so in a very hot summer you can take the roof glass out, still have a little bit of wind protection, but the hot air can vent out through the top. If you want to, you can put a shade cover on the top. So the glazing on the grow house is 4mm toughened safety glass. Now glass has got a number of advantages over perspex. It doesn't flex, so if you've got perspex in a windy location, the perspex will flex and often blow out from the frame. If you've got snow loads, if you're in Scotland and you've got snow, then the glass will not flex with a snow load, and you have a couple of feet of snow on there without any problems at all. The other advantage of glass is it traps the heat, so that's why you get the idea of a greenhouse effect. It traps the heat inside, so early in the year if there's a little bit of sun on there, it can get up to 20 degrees inside, even if it's freezing cold outside. So things are going to come on earlier growing under glass compared to if they're under perspex. So as I said, the framework's got a 25-year guarantee. The nuts and bolts are all stainless steel, so they're designed for a very long life and allow you to take it down if you need to move house. So the grow house is designed to be flexible. It only takes up a small growing space, but allows you to make the most out of your garden.